Today I'll be opening up the 2025 Disneyland Wave B Hidden Disney Pins. So these were released in October of 2025 and they are available at Disneyland for $22.99 per bag, and there are 2 pins in each bag. So this is a 37 pin collection, and the collection is broken up into 6 different series. And then out of those series, you have 5 regular pins and then 1 chase pin, and then one of the series has a super chase pin which has some glitter elements to it and then a diamond hidden Mickey on there. So that one's a little extra special. So the 6 pin series that we can get here are Disneyland D series, and this is a character in front of the Disneyland D. Then we have castles, which have different themed Sleeping Beauty castles. And then we have ear hats, and this one is Disney themed ear hats. And then this is the one that has the super chaser, which is Genie. And then we have treats, which are cupcakes, Disney themed cupcakes. And then we have yellow color story, which are characters that were mostly yellow. And then with this pin series, they just made them solid yellow. And then the last one we have are the bubble wands. So these are bubble wands themed to different Disney characters. So those are the 6 themes that we can get out of this collection. So there are 2 things to know about how these pins are packaged. So these 6 series that we just talked about are grouped together in the bags. So I don't think this is too much of a spoiler because it's kind of fun to know which ones are grouped together. So I'm going to talk about them right now. The Disneyland D series are grouped together with the yellow color story. The castles are packaged with the ear hats, and then the treats are packaged with the bubble wands. So what that means is if you open one of these bags and the first pin you take out is a yellow color story, then you know that the next pin is going to be a Disneyland D series pin. So I think that's kind of a little bit fun knowledge to know there. So that's not too bad. But there is another piece of information that takes this concept a little bit further. So not only are these series grouped together, but the individual pins are paired with another pin, meaning that if you open up a certain ear hat, then you know what castle the next one is going to be. So it's not a 100% spoiler because the chasers kind of mix that all up a bit, but it's enough of a spoiler that I think I'm going to talk about that after I do this unboxing. So if you want to learn more about that, stick around after I unbox my bags here, and then we'll go over what pins are paired together, and we'll have these little charts here that make it really easy to understand how it all works. But for right now, let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 10 bags here to open up, which is 20 pins total. Since this is a 37 pin collection, I will not be completing the collection today. The ones I want the most here are the Haunted Mansion Treat Chaser, and then 2 of the castles, the Maleficent Castle and the Walt and Mickey Castle. And then of course, it'd be great to get the Genie Super Chaser. Actually, it'd be great to get all the chasers. Get those out of the way, right? I do want to point out that the bags shrunk in size this year. So here is an empty bag from the Wave A, and you can see that the Wave B is about an inch shorter. So they're little mini bags here, and I can feel that they're not in bags inside here, or they don't have a piece of paper either. So they're just loose in the bags. So let's get into bag 1. Let's see what we get here. So our first pin is, we have a bubble wand, and it is Mickey Mouse bubble wand. So we got the Mickey Mouse colors there, and then little yellow at the bottom where the hidden Mickey is, and you got the bubbles coming out of the top. So if we go with our groupings, we know that the next one's going to be a treat. Maybe it's the Haunted Mansion treat. Let's find out. Well, it is not. It is Goofy. So we have the Goofy cupcake. So we have, I like his teeth. We have a cupcake, we have some pink frosting, and then you have his 2 teeth coming out of the frosting there, and you have his hat on the side. That's cool. Got the hidden Mickey up in Goofy's hat. All right, let's see what we get in bag 2. We have another bubble wand. So we have a Goofy bubble wand. So 2 Goofy pins in a row, but hey, they're different. So Goofy bubble wand, so it's Goofy's normal clothing colors here, and we have a little hat at the top, the bubbles coming out. And so this will also come with a treat. Come on, Haunted Mansion. And it's not Haunted Mansion, it is Chewbacca. Very cool. So we have the purple cupcake bottom, and we have kind of a brown frosting, and we have Chewbacca's ammo sash, like grenades or whatever the heck are on those. So we have Goofy and Chewbacca. All right, let's see if we can get away from bubble wands and treats here. And this one is, ooh, we have an ear hat, and it is a chaser ear hat. This is the Sleeping Beauty one. And this one is awesome. This one, you know, you always have the whole thing with the make it pink, make it blue. And this has a blue side and a pink side. And then we have the rose there, and then the little stars there that look like the three fairies. That is a really, really cool pin. All right, that was my favorite one so far. That one's nice. And so then this one will come with a yellow color story. And, or sorry, no, not a yellow color story. Ears come with castles. We got a castle. So we got the Mickey castle. So it's, looks like it's all green, kind of green, white, and a little bit of blue. And we have Mickey heads all over it. That's cool. Like that one. Really want the Maleficent castle. That one looks awesome. And the Walt and Mickey one looks good too. All right, so this one is another bubble wand, and it is another Mickey. So we have a duplicate here, and well, after this unboxing, we're going to talk about how these are paired together. So we already know that Mickey comes with the Goofy treat. So this is going to be a Goofy treat or the treat chaser, which would be Haunted Mansion. And it's a Goofy treat. Couldn't be that lucky. So we have a duplicate bag. So that's the bummer part about this. I think it makes it easier to get duplicate bags when they come in pairs like that. But, you know, the chasers do mix it up a bit. All right, so we are on our fifth bag here. And, well, I pulled it out a little bit, and I can already see that there's an ear hat and it has a rose on it. And it is one we already have. So we got another Aurora Chase ear hats pen. So we got another one of those. Now the ear hats, they're paired up with, the chasers are paired up with any of the other ones. So this could be any castle. Doesn't have to be the same castle, but it is the same castle. So, you know, there's my luck. Same castle. So we have two duplicate bags right there. We have 5 bags to go. Still looking for that Haunted Mansion. And this one, okay, I can see from the back, it's another ear hat. Which one we got? We got another Aurora Chaser ear hat. You know, I mean, chasers are good to get, I guess, but to me, it's still a double. I'd rather have something different. So please be a different castle. It's a different castle. Yay, it's the Walt and Mickey castle. So it's the blue castle, and we have like a Mickey head shape there, and you have the Walt and Mickey partner statue kind of right there, kind of a silhouette of that. That is cool. Like that one. Awesome. So at least we got one new one out of the duplicate bags there. 4 bags to go. Oh, I can see reflective bag. I can see a lot of yellow down inside this bag. So this is going to be yellow color story and my first D series pen. And we have Winnie the Pooh. So we have Winnie the Pooh. He's all yellow, and he is getting into a honey bucket or a honey jar. Yeah, it's a jar. And the jar is a little bit brown, but it's still a yellow tint. So there are solid yellow there. And so this will be a D series, and it is Jacques. So we have the D series, or the D in the back, it's yellow, and we have Jacques standing in the front. That's not the chase, right? No, the chase is Gus. Jacques is a normal one, and Gus is the chase one. All right, 3 left. Hey, we're doing all right here. I mean, when you do your first unboxing of these, you should do pretty good, right? Unless if you have really bad luck. And I can see this is another yellow one. And this one is, oh, it's another Winnie the Pooh. Okay, so we have another Winnie the Pooh yellow color story. So that means this is going to be another Jacques or Gus, which is the chaser. And I can see from the back, I think it's another Jacques. Yep, another Jacques. So we got another duplicate bag. Wow, got a lot of duplicate bags on this. Remember when I unboxed series or wave A, I think I had no duplicates or something like that. It was a really good unboxing. All right, I'm looking in here. I see ear hats. Please don't be Aurora. Please don't be Aurora. It's Aurora. Well, we got our fourth Aurora. And let's see what she's going to come with. Could be Maleficent Castle. That'd be worth it. And it is Maleficent Castle. Yes. Awesome. So we have the castle and we have the Maleficent dragon and all the fire. She's breathing the fire out. That is super cool. I love that one. All right, so there's my favorite one right now. So I don't even need to go into that. That is definitely my favorite here. And we're down to my last bag. How are we doing? Well, we do have 4 chasers, but unfortunately, it's all the same chaser. Really nice to get some different chasers here. And looking at this, I can't really tell what those are. Maybe a bubble wand. So bubble wand and treats. And it is a bubble wand and it's different. We have Winnie the Pooh bubble wand. And it has Winnie the Pooh colors, and it's got a honey jar that says honey with a U. Got a little bee on the top too, right by the little bubbles. And so this comes with the treat. Are you the Haunted Mansion treat? It doesn't look like it. It looks like Minnie? No, it is the teacups. The teacup treat. So we have the cupcake, and then on the top we have a red and pink little teacup. Very cool. So at least we got something different there. So what do we end up with here? 10, 12 unique. So 37 pin collection. I got 12 of them down. So that's good. I do have some Aurora chasers. So if I go to the parks, I can trade those away. But yeah, so not terrible. Not as good as some of my other unboxings, but not terrible. I'll take it. So those were the 2025 Disneyland Wave B Hidden Disney pins. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. My favorite is that Maleficent Castle. I just love the Maleficent dragon with the green fire and then the castle in the background. So that is my favorite here. And this wasn't a great unboxing, but it wasn't a horrible unboxing either. I mean, I did get 12 uniques, so that's great to get started on making one of these Hidden Disney pin boards back here. So I've got to start now with 12, but I did get 8 doubles, which that's kind of a lot. We're almost at half there. And then I got 4 chasers, which is good, but then they're all the same chaser, which is not so good. So I will have to get more of these. Right now they're sold out, but hopefully they'll be back in stock maybe at the beginning of the year, January or February or something. I'll get 10 more bags and we'll do another unboxing video and see if I can get a little closer. So now that the unboxing is over, we'll start talking about how these pins are paired up, the thing that I hinted about at the start of the video. So you know that these are grouped together. So the Disneyland D series is grouped with the yellow color story. But we will clear that out and then show the actual pin pairings here. So if you unbox the Disneyland D series Stitch, it will come with yellow color story Belle. Madame Mim comes with C-3PO. 101 Dalmatians comes with Flounder. Coda comes with Pluto. And Jacques comes with Winnie the Pooh. Now the chasers kind of mix it up a little bit. So if you unbox the yellow color story Simba chaser, it will come with any of the Disneyland D series. And then if you unbox the Disneyland D series Gus chaser, it will come with any yellow color story. So basically what that means is if you open up one of these bags and your first pin is Flounder, you know that that's going to come with 101 Dalmatians or the Gus chaser pin. So there's the final chart here. Hopefully that makes sense for you. And then we'll move on to the next grouping, which are the castles and the ear hats. And so those pin pairings here are Walt and Mickey statue castle there, come with Hades. Minnie Mouse comes with Angel, Sorcerer Mickey with Mrs. Potts. Mickey Mouse comes with Mulan, and Maleficent comes with Robin Hood. And then the Sleeping Beauty Chaser ear hat comes with any castle, and the Small World Chaser castle comes with any ear hat. And then the Super Chaser Genie ear hat comes with any castle. Now, the one thing I don't know is if you could get the Super Chaser Genie, would that come with the Small World Chaser castle? Probably not, but I don't know. Maybe it would. Have to keep unboxing these and see if we could find out. So there is the chart for that one. And then the last groupings are the treats and bubble wands. So the pin pairings in this one are Chewbacca treat comes with the Goofy bubble wand. Then you have the Goofy treat comes with the Mickey bubble wand. It's a Small World with BB-8. Mad Tea Party with Winnie the Pooh. Minnie Mouse with Maleficent, and then the Stitch Bubble Wand Chaser comes with any treat, and the Haunted Mansion Treat Chaser comes with any bubble wand. So there's the final chart for that one. And if you would rather see words instead of the pictures, here's a chart with the words. This is what I have been reading from. I didn't memorize all of that. I've been reading it. So that might work out better for you. And it is possible, of course, to open some of these bags and it won't be what these charts show, because there are some error bags, right? Like during the packing process, there could be errors. Maybe you'll open up Sorcerer Mickey Castle and it'll come with another castle. I don't know. You know, it's just an error bag. So be aware of that too. But now you know all the not so secret ways these are packaged together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.